What's the meaning of archivist? Archivist. Archivist.
Archivist. Archivist. An archivist is a professional who works with historical documents and records, collecting, organizing, preserving, and making them accessible to the public. They are responsible for maintaining the authenticity and integrity of the archives they oversee so that future generations can study and learn from them. Archivists may work in a variety of settings, including government agencies, museums, libraries, and universities. In short, archivists play a crucial role in preserving and sharing the knowledge and history of our society.